Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Midjourney app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you here to post on your Midjourney app. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so just go down, clicking this sign down here. We just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this, and here you add how you're there here with the mod here style. So when you're down in here, can you write here or right here? So then here can you add photo or a emoji here? So here can you add your text? So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.